This method may provide an ecologically valid context for the collection and interpretation of physiological data following pediatric concussion along the recovery trajectory. The main advantage of this longitudinal research study is the ability to visualize fluctuations in the autonomic nervous system at multiple time points following concussive injury. Demonstrating the procedure are James Murphy, a manager, and Chris Gupta, a research student, both within the Concussion Center.
After obtaining parental and participant consent, request that the participant fill out the demographic collection form. Instruct the participant to complete the Godin Leisure Time exercise questionnaire and the post-concussion symptom inventory. Then measure and record the participant's height and weight. Next, select an appropriate chest strap size according to the circumference of the participant's torso, and place the strap around the torso over the participant's clothing. Adjust the strap to reflect a tight yet comfortable fit, and confirm that the strap is securely fitted around the sternum on the xiphoid process. Use clip-on buttons to connect the heart rate sensor to the chest strap, and apply a modest amount of hypoallergenic electrode gel to the conductive plastic surface of the strap. Demonstrate the location of the chest strap clasp to the participant, and give the participant access to a private area or washroom so that the participant can place the chest strap directly on the skin, with the sensor placed directly on the xiphoid process of the sternum and right